Prosperity Coin is the world's first cryptocurrency designed to help create financial freedom for women entrepreneurs. And I posted a whole other video on how Prosperity Coin works and how you can use it for fun and for free to support you on your own financial freedom journey, as well as how to use it to support women entrepreneurs from all over the world to create financial freedom, if that's something you want to do. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here and in the description of this video because you'll definitely want to check that out. Now in this video, I'll share 5 ways you can get Prosperity Coins so you can enjoy all the cool benefits that come with them, which we'll cover in my next video. In order to get Prosperity Coins, you need something called a Roll account. If you already have a Roll account, you can skip to this timestamp. Roll is the platform that we partnered with to do the technical work of creating Prosperity Coin because they also provide a wonderful user-friendly interface so you don't have to be a tech genius to participate in the Prosperity Coin community. It's quick and easy to get started, like setting up a Twitter account. You just put in a few basic contact details like your name and email. You don't need to link your bank account or anything. You just follow the prompts and you're up and running in minutes. Check the link in the description to see a short step-by-step demo of how to set up your account properly so you're not frustrated later. Once you have your Roll account set up, you can get 25 free Prosperity Coins by going to realprosperityinc.com/crypto or click that link in the description and getting on the Prosperity Coin priority notification list. This does not add you to the main email list for my financial coaching and seminar business. You'll just now be kept in the loop of anything new and interesting that's going on with Prosperity Coin, and you can click the link at the bottom of any email to unsubscribe at any time. But when you join the priority notification list, you'll get an automatic email from me with a link to get 25 free Prosperity Coins to start your account as long as supplies last. And then you can get even more Prosperity Coins with the strategies that you'll learn in this video. When you join the Prosperity Coin notification list, you'll also get the links to the official reward center, our online community, and short training videos. So you've got your account, you've got your 25 free Prosperity Coins to start, you've tapped the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, the first way to get Prosperity Coins is by engaging with our financial education content to increase your own financial education and help spread my message of prosperity and freedom to more women entrepreneurs from all over the world. Right now, you get 5 Prosperity Coins for each of my YouTube videos that you watch, like, and comment on, so you can rack up hundreds of coins right there. Just include your Roll username in your comment so I know how to send you your coins. If you don't have your Roll username yet, click the link in the description for how to set up your free Roll account. You can also get 5 Prosperity Coins for each of my blog posts that you comment on at realprosperityinc.com/blog. Again, remember to include your Roll username in your comment. If you want to become an affiliate of my business and share our free content, refer friends, or participate in our launches, you can also get Prosperity Coins for each person that opts in to our email list and even more for each person that registers for one of our events. The second way to get more Prosperity Coins is to help boost visibility for other women business owners in our Prosperity Coin community. Just like I give out Prosperity Coins for engaging with and sharing my content, anyone else in the Prosperity Coin community can do the exact same thing. So you can go to our online community and see who's asking for support. Maybe you see that Victoria is asking people to like and comment on her latest Facebook post so that the Facebook algorithm will show it to more people. If you want, you can like and comment on her post and then come back and let her know you did it. Make sure to include your Roll username in your message to her and then she can send you Prosperity Coins. Or maybe Leandra is offering 500 Prosperity Coins as a reward to whoever sends her the most opt-ins for her launch. you can decide if that's something you want to promote and put yourself in the running for that. I'll link a demo video in the description of exactly how to do this. But basically, anyone in the community that wants support in boosting engagements for their content, promoting a launch, or whatever, can post that ask in our online community, and then other people in that community can decide whether they want to provide that support or not. There's no obligation, just opportunity. The third way to get prosperity coins is by contributing a prize to the community that people can redeem their prosperity coins for. We have some prizes in the official rewards center, but we also have an online community where anyone can contribute prizes. So we're adding new and exciting prizes all the time. Now, why would you want to contribute a prize? Well, it's one way to get prosperity coins. And this is also a really cool marketing and visibility opportunity for your business. Imagine you go to a business networking event where you're allowed to contribute a prize to the raffle that they're going to do at the end of the event. Ideally, you want to create something that creates visibility for your business, right? For example, a couple of my VIP clients sell custom tea blends. They might raffle off a tea sampler pack, and that's basically a marketing expense for them. But now everyone participating in the raffle sees that prize, learns more about their business, and while only one person is going to win the prize in the raffle, some people might decide, you know what, I want to try that tea sampler. I'm just going to go ahead and buy one. Maybe that's for themselves. Maybe it's a gift for a friend. Even the person that wins the tea sampler pack might decide to go buy more of them or more of their favorite teas. My point is, by participating in the raffle, they're getting more eyes on their business and on their offerings. If you're a coach or holistic practitioner, you might contribute a free session with you to the raffle. The person that wins might then sign up for more coaching with you afterwards. The people that don't win might decide to just go ahead and hire you directly. Prosperity Coin works exactly the same way. When you contribute a prize that people can redeem their prosperity coins for, that's an opportunity to boost visibility for your business and attract clients. I'll post a link in the description of this video that goes into more detail about how this works and show you a step-by-step demo of how to contribute a prize in our online community. The fourth way to get prosperity coins is to create or contribute a prize that someone else is asking for. Like maybe you see somebody post an ask in our online community that they would love for someone to review their sales letter and give them feedback on how to make it better. Now, it might not have occurred to you to offer up a sales letter review session as a prize, but if it's something you'd be happy to provide, you can say, yeah, I'll contribute a sales letter review session as a prize, and then they can redeem some of their prosperity coins for that prize with you. The fifth way to get more prosperity coins is through a process called staking. How this works is you agree to lock your coins up and not use them for a certain period of time, and in exchange, you get more prosperity coins. This is kind of like if you get a certificate of deposit at the bank, you agree to tie up your money for a certain period of time, right? And the bank rewards you by giving you more interest on your money than they would on a regular savings account. So you lock up your prosperity coins and you get more prosperity coins that you can then redeem for prizes and use in all these fun ways. Now, why would you get more prosperity coins like this? Well, without getting too far into the tech weeds, basically by staking your prosperity coins, you're contributing to maintaining the network, the digital world where the prosperity coins live. I love this because now your prosperity coins can multiply on their own, whether you're working, sleeping, or playing. Now, this strategy is a little more advanced and techy than the other four we covered, so let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create a training video on how to stake prosperity coin, and I'll link in the description here once that's recorded. So now you know 5 ways to get prosperity coins. Engage with our content, engage with the content of other prosperity coin holders, contribute a prize to the community, create a prize that someone else in the community is asking for, and stake your prosperity coins to help run the digital network. Check the links in the description for the demo videos I mentioned on how to implement those strategies. And remember to go to realprosperity.com/crypto and join the priority notification list so you can get 25 free prosperity coins as long as supplies last. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day.